Kurumerera itua ria igoti inene ria gucokia mutongoria wa kuigirira wa gikundi gitari gitikirie kia NRM niwe Miguna guku bururi-ini, thirikari ni coketie cira riko kuhitukira wakiri Fred Ngatia. Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Fred Matiang'i ni oigite ndumiriri iyo ya gucokia cira riko yugite igoti inene ni riunite watho tondu cira wa kuingatwo kwa Miguna no urathie na mbere igoti-ini. Igoti rituire cira ucio hatari kuhe thirikari kanya ga gwitetera. Akiheana itua riake kiroko kia umuthi, jaji wa igoti inene Luka Kimaru oigire Inspector General wa borithi Joseph Boynet na munene wa CID George Kinoti ni makararitie watho wa igoti hindi iria maigatire Miguna guku bururi-ini.
In the present case, it is clear that the second and third respondents acted together with the Director of Immigration to defeat the orders of this court that required the second and third respondents to produce the applicant before this court so that he could be dealt with in accordance with the law. It is tried that any action done in contempt of the orders of the court is illegal and has no capacity of being given recognition in the eyes of the law.
Ihindeni riu jaji Kimaru ni athire murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa uthamiri Gordon Kihalang'wa atwara igoti-ini passport ya Miguna kwa ihinda ria thiku 7.
It is evident that the action taken by the Director of Immigration in furtherance of the contempt of the orders of this court is illegal, null and void and cannot have any legal effect. As of 3 p.m. on 6 February 2018, the applicant was required to be presented before this court. In fact, at that time, although the applicant was under the custody of the police, he was a ward of this court pursuant to the order issued by Honorable Edwin Mulochi at Kajiado Chief Magistrates Court.
Miguna abekire cira igoti-ini inene Jumatatu kiumia giki kuhitukira wakiri wake John Haminwa akiuga thirikari ni yagararire gatiba ni kumuhamurithia na gukanja passport yake. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.